Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deb, if you don't already know, and today I'm coming at y'all with a tutorial, but not a makeup tutorial. I'm coming at y'all with an iOS customization tutorial. Y'all already know how to hop on the bandwagon. I spent some time trying to make it perfect or whatever, and now I'm gonna show y'all how to do the same. So I'm just gonna hit screen record and then we're gonna get into this. Before we start this video, I need to put on my glasses because I didn't want to start it with it on because I'll be like, oh, here she go. But I mean, it just goes with the outfit so well, y'all. Like, how can I not wear it? Like, come on, look at this. I have to do it, so I'm gonna be that person that wears the glasses in the video. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and press screen record so y'all can see what I'm doing. And this is everything we need for the app. I'm not showing you guys my screen yet until the end. So this is what we need so far. And the first thing you want to do is decide on what type of theme you want, okay? So for inspiration, I always use Pinterest. Pinterest is the first thing I go to. I'm pretty sure you can find something on, I don't know, Instagram or something, but I'm going to type in iOS 14 customization, and there's just plenty of things that, like, this is cute, like, there's plenty of things that you can choose from, but you know, I already have mine, so we're gonna go to my little board that I created. I wanted like a melanated, like, you know, just brown and nudes, and you know, so this is my little pins or whatever. It's my theme, you know, it's my theme. So the first thing you want to do is decide what pictures you want for which apps. So I see something right here that's cute. I can use that for an app, probably like a clothing app, Shein, Fashion Nova, something like that. So I'm gonna press the three dots and I'm gonna press download image. This little coffee is cute. I can use that for like a Starbucks app, so I'm gonna download that, or Dunkin' Donuts, whatever you drink. I like this Vogue picture, and I think Vogue is very much Instagram, so I'm gonna download that and use it for Instagram. And I think 3 should be enough. Right now we're going to customize our apps, like how you see at the bottom right here. So I'm going to go to the App Store, and the first thing you need to do is download Shortcuts. You literally just type in Shortcuts and there it is right there. I'm just going to press open. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the apps that I already have, and I'm just going to press the plus button so I can add another one. And then I'm going to press add action. Then I'm going to type in open apps because that's what you want the shortcuts to do. You want it to open the app. So then I'm going to press choose, and I'm going to, what did I say, Starbucks. So I'm going to choose Starbucks. Do I not have Starbucks? Okay. I'm going to choose Instagram because I guess I don't have Starbucks downloaded. Then we're going to press the 3 dots in the corner. You want to name the shortcut. I'm going to name it Instagram, obviously. And you're going to press add to home screen. After you press add to home screen, you're going to press the little icon that they have, and that's to change the photo. So you're going to press choose photo, and you're going to go to the photo that you want for that app, and I'm going to use the Vogue. Then you're going to name the shortcut again Instagram, and then you press add, and there it is right there. And there you have it, customized shortcut. When you press it, it is going to have that little, wow. Okay, when you press it, I'm going to show it again. It is going to have that little, you know, shortcut first. So if that annoys you, then you probably are not going to want to do this. It doesn't really bother me. It's still like a split second, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to do that again with another app. I'm going to go to my photo just so I remember what app it was. Can't do Starbucks. Okay, we're going to do a clothing store. So I'm going to go back to shortcuts. I'm going to press add again, add action, open apps. I can't spell. Open app. Choose, I'm going to do Shein side. I'm going to press the 3 dots in the corner, name the shortcut, Shein, add to home screen, click the icon, choose photo, choose this cute little pic, name the icon again, Shein, add, and there you go, 2 customized apps. Okay, the next thing that people like to do is customize their widgets. So in order to customize your widgets, you're going to need to download Widgetsmith. Okay, this is it right here, and obviously I already have it, so I'm just going to press open. You press add small widget, press the widget, it says default widget, you're going to click that, and you're going to scroll down to photo. So then you press selected photo, press choose photo, and then you just choose a picture that you want, like this. This is cute. So I'm going to choose, it's another Vogue photo. Choose photo, and then go back, then you press save. Okay, now we're at the screen. You're going to long press the screen and press the little add button at the top. You're going to scroll down all the way to Widgetsmith. You're going to click small widget, and then there it is. Sometimes it doesn't always choose the picture that you want, so to change that, you hold the picture, click edit widget, and then click the widget number, and then it has all these small 1, small 2, small 3. These are all the widgets that you created. So mine is small 7, and there we go. There's also other stuff you can do here, like let's see, there's a time, there's a clock, just different formats. Photos, you can do a battery icon, you can do your calendar, upcoming events, reminders, temperature. There's really just so much you can do. You can change the font, you can change the tint color, the background color, the border color, all that. There's also different size widgets. So here's a medium widget, and you basically just do the same thing. You go in, you click default widget, and there's all these different things you can do. You can do a quote if you click photo, get a quote from Pinterest, you can do that. And yeah, there's moon phase, star field, sunrise, sunset, all that. There's also large widgets, so you just click the widget, same thing, default. And you can even do a larger photo if you want. Let's see how that looks. Here, I'm just gonna do that. And you go back, you long press. You add, go all the way down to Widgetsmith. You go to large widget, add widget, and there you go. That's a tattoo I'm planning on getting, by the way. It's the Gen Z tattoo. Somebody on TikTok created it, but I definitely want that tattoo in the exact same location. I'm just going to remove this and show you guys other widgets that you can have that's not through Widgetsmith. So this is all through Apple iOS 14. Here's a temperature thing, then you got your list, photos, music, a clock, maps. These are app suggestions. I guess these are the apps that I use the most. Here's a podcast one, another weather, news, reminders, and then here's a whole bunch of these. Like for example, if I go to podcast, I can have a small, a medium, a large, or like whatever. Honestly, I advise you to just get everything from Pinterest. Like Pinterest is the best when it comes to this stuff. Okay, so this is my home screen. It starts here. This is basically when you start here and you scroll to the right, but it comes from the left, right? So I have just the weather, my battery percentage. I have a podcast. Wow. I have a podcast right there. My clock. I have my notes. Of course, I have my notes, news, maps, and my screen time. Then you scroll over. I just have a quote right here that says work hard, that way no matter what happens you know you did the absolute best. Let me turn it. Okay. Then I have I like the little format I followed. If you want to follow that format you can, but I have Pinterest, Starbucks, Catabuzz, which is like the bus company where I live, Goodreads. And you know I had to have a picture of Pop Smoke. Like, you know, like if you know me, you know I love Pop Smoke. Like I don't know if it's the New York in me, I don't know, but I love me some Pop Smoke. And if you know me, you also know I love J.I. So I had to have them both there. And then I got the Instagram. My Study Life, Shein, and Facetune. These are not any really these are not really any particular apps. These are just apps that I thought were cutest with these pictures. Yeah, and then at the bottom I also changed the phone, the text, the Safari, and the music. As you can see, the phone is a phone, the text is a typewriter, the Safari are zebras, so you know, zebra Safari, and the music is just a music box. So I mean, you don't have to do that. I'm just a little bit extra. So, and then this next page is not really finished, but I'm honestly satisfied with how it looks. Actually, I might just steal. Oh damn, I just deleted it. Wow. I was gonna say I might just steal. Let me see if I can. Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. But I just need one more right there. But yeah, I wanted this to be like kind of like bougie, like black and luxurious. I don't know. So I just have a picture of a black woman holding wine, and then a picture of a black woman and some heels that are very cute. I love those. Then I have a calendar. Can you stop? Then I have a calendar, and then I just have Instacart, Gmail, and SoundCloud. And then I chose this background just because it was like relaxing. Let me scroll over so you can see. It's literally just a brown background. A brown background. I can't speak ever. It's a brown background with clouds. Like, you know, just something simple so it doesn't distract from the beautifulness that's going on right here. So yes, I hope I did a good job of teaching you guys. You can do the exact same thing as me if you want. I really don't care, but I thought this was beautiful. That's about it. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If I taught you something, give it a thumbs up. Share this on your social media platforms. Comment down below which videos you guys want me to do, because sometimes I just don't know, like. And I'm also sorry for the inconsistency. I know I say this every time, but like, I'm a college student. Like, I be stressed. I be bugging. I haven't even eaten breakfast yet, and it's 2:09 p.m. So yeah. But like I said, go look at my Instagram and look at this outfit because it's super cute. I haven't posted yet. By the time this is up though, it will be posted. Am I done rambling? Yes. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and bye.
My left stroke just went viral.